Hey everybody, welcome back, alright. Now if this is your first video, something about me is I'm majoring in computer science and I'm a CRM developer. A CRM developer is somebody that develops software for businesses specifically, and yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna go too much into it because that's not why you guys clicked on this video. The reason you guys clicked on this video is because you want to see my setup. Now the thing about it is, there's not that much of my setup, really, there isn't. There's not. In fact, somebody once commented on one of my photos of my setup and they said, some people like vanilla, and that's okay. Are you coming at me sideways, dude? I like vanilla. I love vanilla, okay? And honestly, my brain is only okay with this. I try to put stuff on it, my brain tells me no, takes it off. So this is what my brain likes naturally. It likes nothing. Anyways, you guys clicked on this video because you want to see what I use to program every day as a computer science major and as a software developer that's currently working from home. What do I use? Well, let's get into it. Now, my first piece of equipment is a Apple Magic keyboard. Now, personally, a mechanical keyboard doesn't suit me that well. I think it'd be too loud if I took it into work. And also, I just really like this keyboard. I love the aesthetic of it. And I think it feels nice when you type on it, but I don't know, everybody likes their own stuff. I got this keyboard because the keyboard on my MacBook is not that great. You might know, or if you don't know, basically around the 2018 model of MacBook Pros, the keyboard just isn't that great. They did something different with the keyboard, and the keys, when you type it once, it would do 2 characters. Not every time, but sometimes. And Apple did acknowledge that this was a problem and they offered to fix it for free, but I personally cannot give up my computer for a few days to have it fixed. So that's why I have this. Also because I have it docked currently in a little vertical stand. So this works nicely for me. It does the job, it types nicely, it looks nice, and yeah. Now, for my second piece of equipment is just the Apple Trackpad. This Apple Trackpad is perfect for me. Personally, I think the MacBook's Mac OS is just, it works great with trackpads. There's a lot of gestures, you know, there's a lot of different, there's a lot of different movements, and yeah, I think it looks nice as well. It's very minimal, which my brain likes. You know, I love vanilla. Anyways, it looks nice. It looks nice. Not much to it, just like there isn't much to my setup, but some people want to know. Now, thirdly is this monitor. This monitor is the best investment I've made, okay? They're expensive, but you use it every day. And they're not that expensive if you compare it to one of those 49-inch 1.1K monitors. Those are expensive. Why do people buy them? It's too big, it's too big. Honestly, I would get one, but that's so much money. Anyways, for about $600, this is a 32-inch 1440p monitor from LG, and it does the job. You know, it doesn't get much better. I have no complaints. There's a USB-C wire, and that one USB-C wire plugs into my monitor and plugs into my laptop. It displays video, and it charges my MacBook. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, now thirdly, that's gonna take me to my MacBook Pro. This MacBook Pro is the late 2018 edition, and it has a touch bar, a 13-inch. It only has an i5 and a 256GB of storage, but it's an alright laptop. It's getting kind of old at this point, and with the new update out, Big Sur, I can tell that my laptop is getting slower because that's what Apple likes to do, or I downloaded a virus. One or the other, either way, it's getting extremely slow, but it's a good laptop. It doesn't take much to program. All you have to do is get any kind of computer that will run anything. It can be Linux, it could be Windows, it could be Mac, anything works. And yeah, that's just a 2018 MacBook Pro with an i5, you know, the very bottom spec one with just a touch bar. So yeah, it's pretty nice. Now, the monitor arm that's attached to my ultra-wide monitor is rated only for 27 inches. And this is a 32-inch monitor, and I don't really have too many problems with it. A lot of people ask me if I have problems because my monitor is too big for this monitor stand, and I don't really have any problems. The only problem I have sometimes is I might have to kind of just, you know, tilt it up and then it's good again for a week or two. Or, I mean, I might even just need to tighten it. That could be the possibility. I haven't even tried tightening it, but it's an awesome monitor arm. You know, there's really no complaints. I don't know what there is to complain about on a monitor arm. I guess the only bad thing is it has a watermark. I don't like the watermark. I don't know. But that's about it. I mean, overall, like, you really cannot complain about it. It does what it needs to do. It hangs the monitor. Yeah. Now, maybe you guys want to know what kind of plants I have. I love these plants, you know, they're fake. These are 100% fake plants. I don't know the name of them. I got them off Amazon for about 20 bucks. I like how they're square, kind of cube shaped. I mean, they are cube shaped, not kinda. But yeah, they look nice and they kind of add to the minimal look. You know, without plants on my desk, there would be nothing, and there already is nothing. So there would just be nothing more, or there would be nothing on top of nothing. So yeah, that's basically the setup. I have a standing desk as well. The standing desk is, I have no idea what brand it is. I got it from Staples for about $300 or $400, and it's an alright standing desk. You know, it goes up, it goes down, and it does wobble quite a bit. Along with that, the tabletop is extremely cheap. I get fingerprints all over it. It drives me insane. And I also keep scraping it with my chair, and I got touch-up paint on the way, but until then I gotta deal with these scrape, and even when I do touch it up, it's still gonna be there. But yeah, I probably would get a different one if you guys were in the market. I also kind of wish I would have got a white desk. I feel like the white desk is just, they look really good. I don't know why. A lot of setups I see on Instagram have white, like a white desk, and it makes me kind of jealous, but I have a black one. Looks good, looks good. Cannot complain at all. I'm happy with it. And yeah, that kind of like is my whole setup. There wasn't much to it to begin with. So yeah, I guess we could also talk about my chair. So the chair I have, hopefully you guys can see this. The chair I have is a Herman Miller Aeron chair. It's a size B, and it works perfectly for me. You know, I'm about 6 foot, 160 pounds, 165. I'm a little tiny guy. So this works good for me. You know, size B is for me. I was looking at the size C, too big. It was comfortable, but I mean, all Herman Miller chairs are extremely comfortable. It's nice, you know, they really put you in a natural position to sit. And I mean, I sit all day. Even though I got a standing desk, you think I actually use that? I thought I would use it too, but I don't, okay? Anyways, yeah, I mean, that's basically what goes into a setup of somebody that is majoring in computer science and is a software developer. So yeah, you know, it is a little vanilla, like the guy mentioned. I love vanilla though, luckily, and maybe you guys like vanilla too. If you've made it this far, thank you guys. It means a lot to me. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you want to. I'll be posting every Thursday. On top of that, hit the like button, and once again, thank you.